Yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Stu. I'm back with another one. As y'all can see, I got a cool little Amazon haul, a little unboxing, you feel me? This is really all my stuff for the stream. I went and picked up a few things. I really forgot all of what I got, so this about to be a surprise for both of us, you feel me? But I do need to grab a knife, so y'all just give me a second. Alright, I got the handy dandy knife. And all these products that I got, I will be putting a link down in the description. So if y'all see something y'all like, y'all can go check it out, you know. This about to be a slight cool little review, you feel me? I'm not about to go too much in depth. I just wanted some more content for the channel. I do have a lot more reviews coming soon, so y'all stay tuned for that. But let's not waste no time, let's get into it. So if I had to guess, I don't really know what this is for real. This might be the lens that I ordered, but I might be wrong, but let's get into it. Overall, I paid like, for this whole little setup, I paid like, I want to say like $2 something. I think it was like $2.10, but I ended up doing it on my Klarna, so I didn't have to pay all at once. I had the money to pay it out, but Klarna is a good option if you don't really want to spend all the money at one time. You know, it's not sponsored. I just thought I would shout them out, but there's a lot of options like Klarna, Sezzle, Afterpay. There's a bunch of options you could go through, you know what I'm saying? Like, you could save you a little bit. Well, you don't really save a little bit of money, but you ain't gotta dish out all the money at the same time, you know what I'm saying? So it kind of make it easy. Like, if you want to cop something but you don't get paid till next week, you know what I'm saying? You know you're gonna have the money, so you know what I'm saying? And you could also pay early too. Like, say I paid this week, it charge your initial fee, like it'll split it up into 4 payments, and your first payment will only be like 1/4, and then it'll charge you every 2 weeks, you know what I'm saying? So if you get paid every 2 weeks, you good, you know what I'm saying? Because most people, they ain't got it all at once, and even if you got it all at once, it's like, why spend it? You could invest in other stuff, you know? But I'm yapping too much, but let's get into it. This is the first package right here. I can't really see what this is. It came in a bag, and it got a box right here too. So I'm about to open this little box, see what we got. Let's see, what it say? Oh, this is the lens I got. This is a new lens for the camera. Cause as y'all know, I'll be doing a lot of content in the car, and it's not really a lot of space where I prop the camera up on the dashboard, so I just need a wider lens, and I wanted to get some different style pictures, you know what I'm saying? But this is the TT Artesian. It's a 14 millimeter lens, and this was only, I think this was like $129 or something like that, which was pretty good for a lens for the Sony. And this is, when you open the box, this is what it come with. It also come with this cleaning cloth right here, so you'll get the little microfiber. And I think this is like a carrying case. Oh wait, this is a filter. But first, hold on, let me show y'all the lens. This is the box that the lens come in. It's pretty simple, pretty small. It is a pancake lens, so it won't take up a lot of room. Like, the lens I got right now is 18 to 135, so this is a pretty good range, you know what I'm saying? Like, I could take close-ups and I could be far away, you know what I'm saying? It got a pretty good zoom quality on it. So but this one came with the camera that I got, and I also have another lens, telescopic lens that I bought from my other camera, but both of my cameras were Sony, so both of the lenses are adaptable to whichever camera you got. So yeah, and of course this is the Sony E-mount. This is the E-mount lens, but this is the box right here. When you open the box, you'll have the little, I don't know why they send these, I guess some food or something, but you'll have the little manual right here. This will tell you all about the lens, everything you need to know, you know what I'm saying, so you're not confused or anything. And this is how the lens come, is the lens right here, and then I think this is like a lens cap for like to block out the sun, but the lens will come in like a little paper like this, and it's real small. It's a real petite lens, you know what I'm saying? But I really like the pancake lenses because it make the camera lighter, and you don't really have to do too much with it. And it got the little lens cap right here, so let's see if I can take this off. I can, there you go. And this also works, as you can see on the lens cap, there's a little USB port, and what this allows you to do is update the lens. So like, the lens will come with different like updates, like, you know, different like firmware, like kind of how you update your phone. It's kind of the same thing with the lens, but you got the little lens cap right here, which this is kind of tiny. This is a tiny lens cap, but as you can see, this is the lens right here. I'm not gonna put it on right now, but the next video y'all see, I'll have the lens on it. So we're gonna go ahead and put this back in the box so it don't get damaged. And you got this little I forgot what they call it. I think it's called like a visor or something like that, but excuse me, it basically helps with the glare. Like if you're taking pictures or something outside, it'll help defect the glare, so your photos and your pictures is not really that blurry, you know what I'm saying? But also in the box we have XS Pro UV filter, as y'all can see, and this just kind of helps with the lighting. You know, all the time you don't want to adjust your aperture or your ISO all the way, because that'll introduce grain into your video or your photo quality, whatever it may be, whatever you're taking. And this will allow you to do that manually. That way you don't have to do it in camera, and it'll help save you some dynamic range, you know what I'm saying? So you won't have a lot of blur or a lot of grain in it. And I'm gonna open this right quick to show y'all. I didn't even know this was coming with it, to be honest, so this is a surprise for me. It come in a little, it look like a little memory card or a CD case, and it's like real small, and it just protect your lens, you know what I'm saying? And it help with quality and stuff like that. That way you don't have to adjust it in camera, you know? So we got that. That's cool, I ain't gonna lie, that's a cool little throw in. Like I said, I didn't even know this was coming with the camera. And let's see what else we got. This right here, this looks like a bag for the camera. I mean for the lens, which I think this is what it is. Oh yeah, I think that's what this is. It looks like a little bottle thing, but I think you can put the lens in there. That way if you're traveling, you could, you know, put it in there. It's real small, so it'll probably just fit at the bottom. Then you could like kind of fold it up. That way it won't get damaged, you know what I'm saying, if you don't want to always take the box with you. So that's cool right there. We're about to get into this other box. I hope I didn't show my address on none of the boxes. I don't think I did, but if I did, I'm gonna blur it out in post. So y'all don't come try to find me, because y'all be, you feel me, y'all, yeah, nah, leave me alone. See, I'm trying not to cut too deep in here, because I don't know what this is for real. Let's see. Oh, these are actually some lights that I got. So this is the LED robe lights, and this is mostly for the stream, because I'm trying to start streaming a lot more. This was, how much was this? I don't really know, but I'm gonna put it right here in the video so y'all can see. I don't want to lie to you on the price, but I think it was like maybe like $20 or something like that. And this is a 32-foot light, robe lights. And in the box you get the robe lights right here. You get this little manual. You get a remote so you can change the colors. You get the little plug, little charging cable, you feel me? And you get these little things, these little brackets. So basically what you do is like you just screw these into the wall and the robe light fits inside of them. So that's cool, that's pretty simple, you know what I'm saying? And this is the 32-foot one. So hopefully that works. What's this? I don't know what this is, but I'm gonna find out. Oh, I think this is also for the lights, some little thing, but I ain't gonna get into that because that's too much detail, you feel me? I'm just trying to show y'all right quick. I know I got the lens, I got a light. I don't remember what else I got. I know I got a bag too. I think this should all be in this big ass box right here. Let's see, let's go ahead and open it. And this came pretty quick too. I had the Amazon Prime, so this came in 2 days. It was delayed 1 day because of the weather. But I got it in 3 days, which wasn't that bad. I wasn't too upset about that. I also got a stand right here. This is the Ulanzi flexible tripod. And the cool thing about this one is y'all gonna see in the link, if y'all click the link down there, this is for a camera and a phone. So like, matter of fact, let me see if I could go ahead and show y'all. And it's real small too, and it's kind of like the Gorilla Pod. So if you wanna like strap it onto like a bench or put it on a tree, it has the flexible legs. So you're able, if you can see right here, look, you could bend them, you could do all type of different shapes, you know what I'm saying? If you want to wrap it around something, you could do that. And this is also, let me see, I don't really know how to work it yet, but you could put a camera on top right here, or there's an option for you to lift it and make this a phone tripod some type of way. I don't really know. I'm gonna have to figure that out because I'm not trying to make this video that long. So yeah, y'all can go check that out. And Ulanzi, they have some pretty good stuff. It was something else I got that, oh, the mic I have, the mic setup that I have, the wireless mics, those are Ulanzi, and the quality on those is pretty good. It comes with like a little wind filter. It comes with 2 mics. It comes with a little charging cable, you know what I'm saying? I really like that. I also got me a, wait, is this the backpack? Oh, this must be like folded, because I was finna say, I thought this would be way bigger than what I'm seeing right now. Hold up. Hold on, I gotta put this box down. Yup, this is a backpack that I got, and I ain't gonna lie, it's pretty big to be honest. You see, I got a lot of space. I can fit the camera, the laptop. They got a little slot for the laptop where you can strap it down. What else is on here? They got a lot of little apartments. It also comes with a lock too. That way if you travel a lot, like go to the airport or like a hotel, you know, valet, you know, or if you just keep it in your car and you got a lot of stuff that's secure, you might lose it for a second. Like say if somebody do take it, you know what I'm saying, but they can't get to your stuff because you got a lock on it, you know what I'm saying. And this is pretty big. It's a pretty big bag. I'm trying to see if I could zip it. I want to try it on for y'all so y'all can see. Cool little backpack, you feel me? Little travel backpack, you know, if you want to put a few clothes or whatnot in it, you know what I'm saying? And it feels pretty durable, I ain't gonna lie. Delo Gallo, that's the brand, but it feels real good quality. It's built pretty nice. Like I said, you got the lock on it too, so, and it only come with one lock, but I'm sure you could just buy some more locks for it, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, this is pretty cool, this is pretty nice. And I also got a light right here. This is pretty self-explanatory, you know what I'm saying? This is like a little light. It's what I'm using now. Right now I have an Aputure, I think it's M90. I don't remember which one, but I know it's an Aputure, but this one is a small rig light, you know? I just wanted another one just for the channel so I could set up whenever I'm streaming. And then I have one for my camera. Plus I got two cameras, so you know if I need them both, I'm good, you know what I'm saying? So I got that. And then I have this right here. This is a desk mount with a stand arm. So basically, it's like, basically what I do is I just clamp it into my desk, you know what I'm saying? I could screw my camera right here and say I want to screw my phone if I want to. Damn, I lost my train of thought. Oh, I could put my phone right here, like if I wanted to stream on Instagram Live, or if I want to put a light right there, just have more light or anything, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, but like I said, all the links will be down there in the description. This is just a cool little short video, you know what I'm saying? Nothing long, nothing too crazy. I just want to show you my little haul. I will be streaming a lot more. I'm gonna try to get on stream as much as I can. I do be working a lot. I work like 5 days a week, plus I have like a real life too, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, but yeah, thank y'all for tuning in to Stu World. Your boy Stu. I'm gonna have a lot more content coming soon. I got some stuff rolled up for a video I'm finna do in a little while, so y'all gonna see that for a review. I got some other stuff coming in, so I just want to thank y'all for always tuning in, always staying tapped in. I keep gaining subscribers even though I don't post every single day, you know what I'm saying? I try to post at least 2-3 times a week, but I just want to say thank y'all. Y'all leave a comment, y'all leave a like, y'all share this with somebody, you know, share the channel if they into this type of content. But I just want to thank y'all for tuning in. It's your boy Stu World. Peace.